In this video, I want to give you 3 steps to making a living through your passion. So number 1, you've got to know what your passion is. That's the biggest, most complicated thing of it all, right? What is our passion? And so what I want you to do is I want you to think about what are some of the things that you're most passionate about? What gets you excited? What jives you every day? What motivates you to get out of bed every day? And start thinking about what this is, because there's a lot of people out there that don't realize that they can actually make a living, a significant, healthy income with their passion. I think the problem is I see too many entrepreneurs or starting out entrepreneurs that go and they gravitate towards things that they just think are going to make them money. And if you go towards something just with that thought of it's going to make you money and it's not really a huge passion of yours, what's going to end up happening is, sure, it might make you a little bit of money for a short little while, and then you're going to get bored or you're going to find something else and you're going to move on to that something else. You're not really going to stick with, for the long term, something that you're really passionate about. And I think we can all agree that if you're passionate about what you do, you will get more excited every day to do it, and you'll actually take that massive action that you know that you need to do to actually make it work. So number 1, you want to know what your passion is, and you might want to take a day to even start brainstorming on what that is. For a lot of people, sometimes it's kind of hard to figure out, but you have a few passions right deep down inside of you, and I want you to tap into that. I really want you to get deep and figure out what they are. For me, I love traveling, I love the beach, I love family time, I love golfing. So those are some of my passions. So you got to know what those are for you before you can actually go into learning how to monetize your passion. So that's number 1. Number 2 is, once you figured out what your passion is, I would recommend finding somebody that is doing something similar. They have a similar passion and they've learned how to monetize that passion already, so that you can actually just go down the path of success that has already been carved. That's the easiest, most fastest way towards success, is finding somebody going in the direction that you want to go, or they've been that you want to be at, and you actually just follow what they do. You mentor them, you contact them, you say, hey, what's up? I see that you're doing this. Actually, it's a huge interest of mine. By the way, how did you get started in that? How can I contribute to what you're doing? Because I would love to learn from you. Okay, so find a mentor, find somebody going in the direction that you want to go in, that they're already going in, and you can learn from them, you can mentor them, you can build that relationship. That's step number 2. And then step number 3 is take massive action. All right, and that massive action is going to come through the passion that you have for the activity or whatever it is that you have the passion for, and then it's going to come from knowing what you need to do from your mentor, seeing other people doing something similar and actually putting that infrastructure in place. So for me, for example, I knew that I really wanted to work from anywhere in the world. I wanted to be kind of your traveling entrepreneur, and I really wanted to be able to take what I have anywhere in the world, do my business anywhere I have internet connection. And so I wanted to find people that were already in that position, and then I basically looked at what they had going on. I looked at some of the tools that they used, I looked at some of the mindset training that they had, I looked at their target marketing, and I really just kind of copied, with my own style and my flair, of course, what was already going on in that market space. And then I really realized that because this is my passion, because I love what I do, because I love traveling so much, I put more effort and I take massive action towards what I'm doing because it's so much of a huge passion of mine. Our business is really about attracting people to us, and people are going to be more attracted to us if we're living our passion. We're excited about what we do. We get up every morning and we're in a great mood, rather than just finding something that, yeah, okay, it can make us a few extra bucks and we can make some money here and some money there. But there's more to it when you can live through your passion. You're going to really be able to be jazzed every single day to work your business if you have something that you're really excited about sharing with the world and actually expressing that message. So here is just 3 small tips, 3 steps to take so that you can figure out your passion, and you can start to learn how to monetize that passion and sort of live that life that you know that you really want to live. And there's going to be a video series on this, on taking each one of those steps further, but this video right here is just to get you started with figuring out what kind of passions are roaming inside of you, and let's get them out. And then what we're going to do over the next video series is we're going to learn how to monetize those and actually go deeper into making a living through your passion. So if you already know what your passion is, what I want you to do is I want you to comment below this video right now. Let me know, reach out, say, hey, my passion is traveling. Hey, my passion is whatever it is, golfing, hiking, fishing, hunting, I don't know, but put your passion right below this video. I want to see what your passion is. If you already know it, if you're getting those juices flowing, and if you don't know what your passion is, put a comment below. Maybe I'll connect with you and help you out with figuring out what your passion is, because we got to know that before we can go into monetizing it and actually making a living through our passion. So you guys, I look forward to seeing the comments below. That's so you can be the first to comment below, and I will see you on the next video.